0, 1. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. If you like to grow, you like to know, or you want to just come and hang out, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button so you can be notified each and every time I go live or upload a brand new video. Now, I hope you enjoy today's video. Hey YouTube family, it's Casey from Totally Designs, and I wanted to show you what I purchased over at Michael's Arts and Craft as of yesterday. So again, you guys know I'm doing a wine and beer festival that's coming up this weekend on June 15th. I think that is the Father's Day weekend, and I want to just to briefly share with you what I purchased. I went in there and I saw these beautiful glass seed beads. I love these. I probably am going to do a multiple strand necklace depending on if I have enough time to do that. But let me go ahead and show you what these look like. These are really, really beautiful. These make great filler beads as well, not just multiple layer necklaces, but they also are great filler in between those bigger beads. Gives it like a more distinctive look. Now, I also purchased these right here. This was, I believe, $5.99. I don't know what the count is, but I know it's a lot. It's got to be close to 500 in here. Really love these type of beads. I can make little quick earrings with these, little quick bracelets with these as well. So I'll probably be able to get, you know, at least 20 pairs of earrings and maybe about 4 or 5 bracelets out of them. Okay. I also went and purchased these as well. You know, I'm very much crazy about these particular spacer beads, the metal beads, they're rhinestone. I got one color in rose gold along with regular gold, and I did buy a couple of those. These are going to go great. I usually use these in my bracelet projects all the time, so I'm just going to put it up a little bit closer so that you can see that. Look at that. Really nice. Of course, I went back to my go-to, which these are always my go-to. These are the metal spacers. These are gold. I believe these are made out of alloy. I have not had any problem as far as tarnishing. Haven't had that problem with these. These pretty much last a long time. All right, so I did get gold and I did get silver, so I always go back and get those. Now, I went and got some of these, y'all, because I haven't gotten these in a long time. These are shells. They're called kokili shells. And I like these. I do have something that I can put them with. And I just like the colors, and the beads over there was 60% off. I forgot to lead off with that. The sale that was on Friday was 60% off. And again, guys, I am a sucker for a great sale. Now, I also went and got some more of these pink, which I really love. This is a very vibrant pink, and I'm gonna make like another bracelet out of these. I do have a bracelet that I made. It was pink, but it was more of a pale pink. Okay, now I bought 2 of those, and now I also found these. I like these, y'all. I couldn't put these back because these are really, really cute. These are ceramic, and they're called ceramic twist oval. So I am going to make something with this. What I'm going to make with it, I'm not sure, but I will be making something. I also got these ceramic beads right here. I just love the patterns that are inside of them. Like in this one, you have like a little bit of I want to say a tan, and then you have brown, and then you have, you know, the blue in there. So I really, really love that. I wind up also getting some smaller lobster clasps because the ones I have are a little bit bigger. But in specific projects, I do need them to be a little bit smaller. I wind up getting these, guys. Now, this is different. This is the oval bracelet. And when I do it, I'll show you guys how it looks, because I've never seen this in the store. I'm not saying they didn't have it before, but I haven't seen this at Michael's before. So this is definitely a new something, I guess. So yeah, so I wind up buying 2 of those. And then I also went and purchased my crimp tubes. I do need these because I will be working on those multiple strand projects as I was talking about earlier. And I need my crimp tubes. Okay. And then I think I got some crimp covers, but I don't have them handy. So that is it for my Michael's Arts and Craft haul. I just wanted to come share with you what I had purchased, and I'm getting ready to just start diving in and doing making some jewelry. And the next video I'll come back, I'm going to actually show you a custom made bracelets that I made for one of my clients. All right, well, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. You make my YouTube channel what it is, and I'm grateful for you every time you come and you press that dial to watch my videos. All right, until the next video, as I always say, happy beading.